Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel. Today I'm going to be running you through a very simple mass gain shake that's going to give you 770 calories in your day. So let me switch my camera up just to show you. So here I've got all my recipes all ready to go. I've poured in my coconut milk. So the recipe here is 300 mils of coconut milk, 1 medium banana. It's going to be a tablespoon of Nutella or Hershey chocolate spread and 100 grams of vanilla Greek yogurt, okay? So before I build out this shake, I'm going to put out the whole recipe list on your screen right now. So right now you can screenshot the whole ingredient list, the whole shake recipe, so you have it with you at all times. And next time you go into the kitchen, you're going to know exactly how to build your shake. So I'm just gonna set up the tripod and I'm gonna put in all the ingredients. I'm gonna build the shake and show you how it looks at the end.
There you go. You got your 810 calorie shake right there.
Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.